Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a special sticker haul from Scribble Prints Company. So let's get started. This was a very big haul for me because she recently did a pop mystery D-stash, I guess. So I got a lot of really fun kits and I'm just going to go through them one by one. So let's see what I got. First, for the freebies, this was the journaling card that came with the kit. It's very cute. I mean, Mario's cute, but like, I don't really know what to do with this, so I might just save it and put it up in one of my classrooms or something so the kids can talk about it. Very cute. So this was the free sheet that I got for spending way too much money. It's really, really cute. I like all of the little icons. They're very unique. Like the razor is expertly done. So little things like that. I think this will be cute to use for a variety of things. I also love that she sends a bunch of foiled stuff. So we've got this really cool silver scripts: declutter, me time, tidy up, take out, laundry, workout, Target run. Really, really useful. This looks like a collaboration with Once More with Love. These are rose gold emojis. It says I'd rather die, or did you know? Really, really cute. This is a sparkle hollow foil. Lazy day, bath, barbecue, play outside, date, day off, meal prep, game night, and movie night. I will say, like, this is really interesting to get these kinds of foil samplers because this is a really beautiful foil, but you notice it really doesn't show up very well unless you put it against like some really dark back flags. So I feel like this is great, just insider knowledge. And then this is just a really cute rose gold. It looks like an overlay box with some tiny little Disney deco there. All right, I also got this foil bundle. This is Leaves. I'm not sure if this is version 1 or 2. It's a dark green foil, which it's very, very like very matte looking. It almost doesn't even look like foil. Like, let's see if I can get close up enough to get a shimmer. It's a dark, yeah, there it is. You can kind of see it almost looks black, like it's very, very subtly not black. So this was like severely marked down, but it comes with a bunch of different overlays. These are headers, and then these are underlays. So you've got this really pretty repeating pattern here. Again, you can't really tell that it's dark green. It's very, very subtle, with more leaves, some numbers, and washi. So it doesn't have any, oh, whoops, I skipped a whole page. It does have scripts. So it has some scripts in different, I'm not sure which font this is. And then there's some fun icons too. So I like that it's dark because it's definitely easier to read. And I think this would be fun for a fall transition to Halloween type situation. So funny. Whenever she does this in her videos, she just like gently glides these back in. I can never get these to go back in like the right way. So kudos to you for designing something you can do, but I can't do that. So, all right, I'm gonna leave those up here. All right, so this is the first pop mystery kit that I got. I'm so excited. This is, oops, and it's upside down. This is Clue. This is super cute. So I went back to visit my family in New York recently, and we were looking for a movie that would like please my parents and be fun and funny, and this movie came on. So I feel like this is a great, I just love the characters in this movie. It was so fun. And it's also brilliant because look at all the different colors that you can play with here. So this is the mini kit. It comes with all of these really great full boxes and this bonus double box, which I will definitely be using. But look at all the color choices. You can do red, you can do mustard, you can do green, blue, purple, white. Like there's no end to the number of things you can do with this. So the mini kit comes with these really fun minis. I love the addition of the chandelier, all the pipes. This is a really fantastic kit. So we've got 2 additional full boxes here with Colonel Mustard and Mr. Green. What drew me to this, I don't know if you can see the details. It's got like this marbling for that extra deco. Oh, and of course there's Miss White. And then it has this ombre with this wooden floor. She sold this underlay and I didn't get it because I got something else, and I will be really excited to show that when that arrives. So that was Clue. Okay. Next up, I just want to do the pop mystery ones first. Next up is Breakfast Club. So I love this movie. I watched this movie, I think, for the first time when I was like 8 or 9. It's fantastic. For those of you who haven't seen it, it's a classic John Hughes movie about a bunch of kids in detention, and they have to sit all together all day, and they come from all different cliques in high school, and they end up having shared experiences. So this is the mini kit again, and this is Bender doing his like thrust into the air, I got the girl face. So this is the full kit. Here, so we've got all the kids, this insane library. I've never seen a library quite like this ever again. The detail on this, I mean, so you can see it's got the letter, the sushi, the different IDs, the Coca-Cola. I mean, it's very well done, like in terms of detail. So I'm excited to see more. Okay, oh, so here's the deco. This is the first time I'm like looking at this kit, so you can just see how cool this is. So it has 2 versions of the letter, and I'm going to zoom in as much as I can, but like, ugh. Guys, I'm also shooting this sideways, so it's a little funky. It just has everything. It's really, really good. The brain, the athlete, the basket case, the princess, and the criminal. Excellent. And then, another great double box where they're all sitting and sharing. So good. Okay, really, really cute flags. I love that they use the lockers for the washi and this like composition notebook. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm excited to use these. I think the trouble is I'm going to have to use more like art than actual planning. So, but that's okay. It'll still be fun. Okay, next up is I got this in advance of the holidays. I know that the holiday kits have not been released yet, but I've had my eye on this kit for a very, very long time. I actually did a poll last year about which kit to get between this one and the Crafty Banana Thanksgiving kit, and the Crafty Banana Thanksgiving kit won the poll, but this is actually something I've really enjoyed. So it has this double box doesn't really do it for me, I'm not gonna lie, but this does. It's super cute. I love the fashion girls in it. I love the Friendsgiving elements, and then there's a really pretty fashion girl on the back. So, I might not use that living room double box because it doesn't look like any living room any of my friends have. But, okay. So there's the double box fashion girl. So we've got this really cute art here, and then some really fun deco. Oh, I love the puzzle piece, which actually matches art that I think she used in a different kit last year. Beautiful turkey. I mean, this is so cute. I even love the Uno. I could do a whole set of just the Uno cards, guys. This is the double box that I will probably be using. Just lots and lots of foodie spreads. I really love the colors in this. It's subtle but chic. I love the Uno and the games box, and then you've got the solid with the flannel, so I can do some fun foil overlays on top of this. This is going to be so fun, and I can't wait to use this kit in the fall. Next up, this is another exclusive art for her shop. It's called Christmas Movies. I got this because I have this really great movie foil set that I got from Caress Press, and I used the kit that it was supposed to go with, but I didn't have the foil at the time. Now I have it, and I've been sort of sitting on it. And this art is just really precious. I love the way it looks. I love the style. It has all of my favorite movies in the full box there that I love to watch. I love It's a Wonderful Life, Christmas Vacation, Home Alone, Elf, and Love. Love, actually, I have kind of like a love-hate relationship with now, ironically. I've never seen The Grinch all the way through, and I don't watch Christmas Hallmark movies. Sue me. But I did think this was really, really pretty. And then so there's the freebie art. It's a really decked out sort of sundae, I guess, and a snow globe. So I thought this would be a fun transition into Christmas. Gosh, these are in so tight. Okay, so there's the full box. Full boxes. Here's all of the really pretty. This is like a subtle pastel. It's not really Christmassy colors, which I think is kind of nice because when you start to get all of these kits, they all start to look the same month after month. So it's really nice to have something that's going to look a little different. This is another full double box with just a really fun like charcuterie treats looking thing. I think this will be super cute. I love the little arty elements for this. This is really pretty. That's just gorgeous. Oh, and now it's raining outside. So anyway, I am really, really excited to use this kit this December. Let's see. Oh, this, I should have shown these earlier. So I got these. These are underlays. They look like notebook pages. I really thought this would look really cute with the Breakfast Club. I thought this would be fun because they all have to write letters, and I thought it would be cute. So, but even just as a full, it could be a full box all on itself, and then you could put a quote on top of it. So I really think this is a great underlay to get. And then last but not least, so for those of you who have different political opinions than I do, like, that's okay, but I am definitely going blue for this election, and it's been kind of a tough time for Democrats right now, everything that happened with the debates and then all the Supreme Court rulings, but I am inspired to campaign and work hard to turn my state blue this election. And this, I've actually used this kit once before when Biden was elected the first time, and I just thought it was really, really great. I love the colors. I love this, everything about this. And so this is the kit I will be using for election week. This is really interesting. I already have this double box because, like I said, I bought this kit once before, and I'm not sure like that I'll ever use it, and now I have two of them. So I don't really know what to do about all of that, but anyway, I just thought this was great artwork, and how could I not use it again? So let's see. So you've got all these different really fun, cool boxes here. I love the deco. This is really fantastic deco. And I also love the color scheme. It's red, white, and blue, but it's red, white, and aquamarine and blue, which gives it a little bit more spunk, I think. And this is really fun washi and design to play with. So I am definitely looking forward to using this. Okay, so now the trick, because I've taken them all out of their wrappers, is to keep everything together. And then we've got our holiday things over here. Oh my goodness. And then I cannot let this go. And then this, and then all of this free stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and tuning in for this sticker haul. Like I said in previous videos, I will be posting more memory plan with me's, dating all the way back from March up until present day. So please stick around, and I hope you enjoy those. I'm going to try and get the videos out as quickly as possible, so that I'll be fully caught up before school starts again in August. Anyway, thanks so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.